to fix cannot obtain IP address on PS5. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's episode, I'll let you guys know the ways to fix cannot obtain IP address on PS5. So to do this, you have to open up your PS5 and then go to the settings from the top right. When you go to settings from here, you want to go to network, and under network you want to go ahead and select settings. Once you click on setup internet connection, then you want to click the registered network or the network that you're connected to. After which you'll be able to see this sort of menu. So go ahead and click on advanced settings first of all. Now make sure to select it to automatic. After which you want to go to the scroll down a bit, and after which you want to go to DNS settings, and here you want to select it to manual. After that you want to go to primary DNS as well as secondary DNS. Now for the primary DNS, you want to make sure you must have typed in 8888, and for the primary DNS and likewise you could also go ahead and type in 88 and for the primary DNS you want to type in 8844. So after which you want to go to MTU settings and make sure to type in 1500 and then click the done button. After that you could also convert it to 147. So this way it's going to show you this sort of page, or it's going to show you connecting to the internet, and then make sure to restart your device. This should be able to fix the issue all at once. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.